Hey everyone, so I am in my garage for this video. Here are my garage doors. So the 8355 has turned 10 years old this year. I completely forgot about it right on the day that it is supposed to turn 10 years old. I just remembered about it. It has been a great opener. I have a little update on the 8355. As you can tell, there is grease on the belt. This is the second time I put grease on the belt because before I put lube on the belt, it was squealing. I used the lubriplate arrow. Here is the wall control. It's an 882 LM. This is the original wall control to the opener. Let's open it and here we go. Here are the sensors. These are the original sensors to this opener. Let me see if I can get you a good view of this one. Here is the keypad. This is not original. This is the original keypad to the 8355. Let's close it with the wall control. And here we go. I am curious to hear how this thing will run when the belt is lubed and the opener is running without the door. I'll disengage it. Also, I'm curious to see if this door is still perfectly well balanced. Let's see how balanced it is. It stays here. It seems like a perfectly balanced door. About at this point, it will want to fall. I'll open the door manually so that I can show you how balanced this door is. I think the spring should have adjustment. So I think it will stay here, but if I open it farther, then it will want to fall. It stays here, but if I bring it down, then it will want to fall. I think the springs should be adjusted. It will want to fall here. It stays here. Then it stays. Doesn't really go up on its own anymore, so the springs need adjustment. Let's close the door. Let's run it without the door, and here we go. It still squeals even if I lubed the belt. Let's bring the carriage back by running the opener down. Here we go. There's still a lot of squealing after I lubed the belt. I think maybe the sprocket is squealing. It might not be the belt this time. So I'll try lubing the sprocket when I have a chance to take this opener down. Well, there you go. That is the video of the 10-year anniversary on the 8355. If you want to see a list of what problems I had and what I did to fix them, go to the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, enable the bell, and leave a comment. Have a great day.